Hello everyone, welcome to the course on databases for protein research. My name is Dr. Lokinda Kumar and I will be your instructor for this particular course. In this course, we will be discussing 4 different databases in 4 different modules. Module 1 will cover UniProt database for protein research. UniProt is one of the most widely used database for protein research, where you can get the sequences, where you can also get the links for 3D structures of the protein. And I'll also tell you what are the other options that are available. In module 2, we will be understanding Swiss model. Swiss model is one of the important database that is being used for homology modeling, where you can create a model of any sequence that you'll provide to the database. It's very, very important, and I'll also show you how you can basically understand the quality of that particular structure. In the module 3, we will be covering string database. We need to understand how proteins they interact with each other. For example, one protein can interact with another protein, taking the example of antigen and antibodies, and we can create a map, interesting map of all those different proteins that are available in that particular database. So database will use the information which is available and provide you a detailed map of the particular protein of interest and the map that you can directly use in your publication. In the 4th module, we will be covering the 4th database, which is ProCyteScan. In the ProCyte database, what we will be doing is we are going to provide unknown sequence, and based on the domains profile that are available in the database, it will identify what are the domains that are present in that particular sequence. Very, very important when it comes to understanding the structure as well as function of the protein. So all those 4 databases are really important for protein research. Another database which is also important is PDB, Protein Data Bank. That I will not cover in this particular course, that I've covered in a previous course. Please take that particular course because that is associated with Protein Data Bank and PyMol. Because when you get the structure file, you need to also understand how to process that particular file. So I've compiled a separate course on Protein Data Bank and PyMol that will give you skill set on how to understand or analyze the structure of the protein biomolecules. In addition to that, I will be providing presentations, notes, as well as problem solving documents. In addition to that, we will be also giving you quizzes, and all those documents are going to help you understand the course better, and you will also have the material that you can also use to teach other students. As far as the course cost is concerned, it's very, very marginal. The quality is very high. The course quality, the content quality you'll see is very high, and the video quality is very, very high. And if you see the cost is very, very less as compared to the other platforms that are charging for similar kind of courses. So I hope now you are motivated for doing protein research. So let's start with understanding the databases for protein research.